So you're looking to buy a townhome in Charlotte, North Carolina, but you're looking for luxury? Well, today we're hitting up a luxury townhome community here in the Charlotte metro area. Stick around, this one is one for the books. It's Yachty Karina Jones, and I'm a real estate agent with Lifestyle International Realty here in Charlotte and the surrounding areas. Every week, I take out my camera and press record so that you can see what it's like to live here in Charlotte and the surrounding areas. If you're thinking about making a move to the Charlotte area, I got you covered. Give me a call, give me a text, ring me, and we'll get connected so that you can start taking the steps that you need to own your dream home here in Charlotte. Now, today, we're gonna check out a community called Hudson Oaks here in the Charlotte area. You're gonna love it. It is gorgeous. You can't not love it. It's beautiful. Now, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you take a minute to do so that you don't miss any of my latest information about the Queen City. All right, now let's take a look at Hudson Oaks by Taylor Morrison. This is Hudson Oaks by Taylor Morrison. We're getting ready to tour the Vail model, which is 1,906 square feet. There is another floor plan that's slightly larger called the Breckenridge, but we're not seeing that one today. We'll see it in a different video. This particular floor plan has 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms with a 2-car garage. So we'll see right here that this is an open space, so you can do whatever you'd like with it. Here it's staged as a recreational area, but of course you can make this a study, a craft room, a playroom, whatever your heart desires. It would be your home to do as you please. Here you have a closet, but that closet is locked for Taylor Morrison purposes. This right here would be your 2-car garage. Now, of course, it would be empty. They are using it for supplies. Here you see your drop zone. So as soon as you enter through that garage, you can drop all of your items there. Right here, you're gonna have a linen closet, or again, whatever you'd like to do with it. If you wanna keep shoes or anything in there. And then you're going to have a 2-piece bathroom. So the equivalent of a powder room. Now we are going to go up the stairs and check out the second level. So this has 3 levels in this particular floor plan. There is a way to make this 4 levels, and the Vail floor plan can be an N unit. Right here it's an interior unit, but it can be an N unit. Now here you see your living room area. That staircase or that stair rail can either be a half wall or that exposed wood banister and rails. But in this particular, that would be determined by the way it was spec'd. So all of these homes have already been spec'd. They have everything already inside of them. And there are 5 different collections that Taylor Morrison chooses from in order to build each of their models or each of their units. So this right here, you see the kitchen. One thing that I want to point out, it was a gas cooktop. So for all you cooks in the house, you would love that. But even more importantly, there is a hood above the gas cooktop, which is important because a lot of times you see that as a built-in microwave unit. And here it is a hood, meaning that this is more of a luxury townhome. This is not your typical townhome that you run in. This is not the run-of-the-mill. This is definitely an upgraded type of living, type of dwelling. So here you have your pantry, plenty of space because you also have space behind the door. So plenty of room to store all of your ingredients, condiments, things of the sort. And then you can also use this closet as a pantry if you'd like. In here, you're gonna find another powder room. This one is going to service your common areas. And I love this because that means that every single floor has a bathroom. You never have to go hunting for a restroom. There is always one available to you. So here we are going up to the 3rd level now. This is the final level in this particular floor plan. And the very, very first closet that we run into is going to be your laundry area. Here's where you put your washer and your dryer. And of course you have that shelf there so that you can put your detergents, your bleach, all of the things that you use for your laundry. Now you have another closet, and we have seen, I feel like we've seen at least 3, 4, we're up to like 4 closets at this point. So plenty of storage. Here we're running into the secondary bathroom. This of course is gonna service your secondary bedrooms. Here we see one of the secondary bedrooms. It is very adorably decorated. Very nice job. Here you have a double closet, plenty of room for guests or kids or whoever ends up living in this room. And then you have another room right next door. And you see that that one was treated as a nursery, but this one is being treated as a bedroom with a full-size bed. But that might actually be a queen. I'd have to measure it. So here you have a closet, again, double closet, so plenty of room. All right, so just wanted to point out that there are a total at the end. Right now, half of them have been sold. At the end, there will be 67 homes in this community, 67 townhomes. This right here is the primary bedroom with a tray ceiling. Absolutely beautiful. And a walk-in closet. So again, 67 total, and about half have been sold. So definitely, if you are interested in this particular community, don't wait, because we don't know how fast or how slow these units will go, and you want to make sure that if you love it, you get in. And most builders will do price increases after selling a certain number of units. As with most townhome communities, all of your exterior maintenance and your roof is going to be covered. But in addition, Hudson Oaks also has a dog park. So if you have a dog or you're a dog lover, you're going to really welcome that amenity. Now, as always, my name is Yadi Karina Jones. If you have a real estate need, I'd love to connect with you. Reach out to me using any of the contact information below so that we can get together and start your journey together. Now, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. It means a ton to me. See you next time.